Hi guys, it's ASBYT, and today we're talking about that bit of technology which kind of goes under the radar in terms of importance, but can massively affect your home cinematic experience, and all for just over, with this special coupon, around £50. And I think you might be interested. Let's get straight to it. Right, so over here, and I'll show you a close-up, we have the Blitzwolf BW-SDB1. That was a bit of a mouthful, and I'm cheating a little bit. I've got it written down here. It is, of course, a soundbar, but from doing quite a bit of research, in my opinion, this is one of probably the best budget soundbars you can buy right now. It has great sound quality, and like I said, with the special coupon that I've put in the link below, you can get it for roughly around £55. I'll be talking and showing you through some of the ports that it has, and of course, I will be doing a sound test for you right here. Let's jump straight on to the design. It is a very sleek looking bit of kit. You've obviously got the matte from the speaker sections, and you've got the gloss of the other parts as well. This is actually a 36-inch soundbar, so actually if you think about the size of TVs that most people actually have, it will pretty much fit most people's living rooms in terms of the size of the TV. It will fit underneath it, and it'll either be slightly inside the walls of the TV size, or it'll be there or thereabouts. But a lot of people now have TVs obviously that are sort of 30 inches and up, and it's not an eyesore at all. It'll fit in really, because it's black, it'll fit in with most people's living rooms, so it's really nice to see. You've got the rubber feet on the bottom here to stop it from moving around. You've got the Blitzwolf logo there in silver, which again is quite a nice little touch, and it looks pretty premium. And then we're just going to look at the ports and also what comes in the box. I didn't do a full unboxing because it's a bit of an awkward size to fit into this studio. So we've got our power port here. You've got your coaxial port there, your optical there, which has got actually a protector on it that you can obviously take off. Your aux, USB and HDMI ports there as well. So it's got all the main ports that you would need. I possibly would like to see maybe more, maybe a couple or 3 USBs and again the same for HDMIs, but it's not essential, just something for them to think about going forward. So as I'm sure you can imagine, we have our optical cable here, and we also have our RCA to 3.5mm cable as well. Also, it comes with a remote, and it's a really, really nicely made remote, similar to the Fire TV, the new Fire TV products and the Xiaomi Mi Box, if you have one of those, where you've got this sort of nice matte soft rubber finish almost. And on here we have an aux button, a Bluetooth, an optical, the coaxial, the HDMI and the USB button as well. So all of the features that we have on the soundbar you can get to using your remote here. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to plug this in, and I'm going to press the Bluetooth button on here and connect it to my smartphone, and of course I'm going to play some sound from that. Right, so we have plugged it in. I'm now going to turn it on using the power button, obviously. And now I'm going to go to my Bluetooth on my smartphone, and I'm going to pair it up, and I'm actually going to play one of my YouTube videos. Obviously the microphone's here, so it's not the best example, but you'll get a rough idea. Now you can turn the volume down and skip tracks on here as well. So first of all, I'm going to turn my smartphone up full volume, and then I'm going to go from low to high on this remote so you see the full range of sound. So we're at the lowest now. Making so soon, but I've got a problem with the OnePlus 6, so let's get straight to it. Hi guys, so you can see the actual sound gets really, really loud. So far, I've paused it using this. It's paused my smartphone as well, so that's quite a good setup as well using the remote. Now, one thing you will notice, not only is it a loud sound, it's a very rich and rounded sound as well. It's good quality. It's not harsh when it gets to the top level. Some of the soundbars, especially the cheap ones, get really tinny or very sharp and harsh and fuzzy. If that's a word I can use. I've used it. I'll press play again. Gonna go low to high one more time. If you would like to see that, but the second one was a drop test. And I had my phone in my hand, went out of the blue, the newer black OnePlus 6 slipped out of my hand from a distance of around 2 feet, maybe less, maybe 1.5 feet. I'll finish that sound clip for you. And as you can see, the sound, as I mentioned earlier, is really good quality. And like I said, for around £55, if you are in the market for a soundbar that looks very sleek, is a nice sort of size that will fit under most TVs, then I don't think you can really go wrong with this bit of equipment. And Blitzwolf have got a pretty good track record with a lot of these sort of devices. Like I said, I will leave all the information in the video description below so you can go through, and if you're interested in all the hardcore specs, for example, they will be listed on the website below. There is also a code code which gets you 20% off, so it goes from 69 down to, like I said, roughly around 55. So definitely worth checking out if you are interested in, like I said, a soundbar. Here's where you guys come in. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this individual soundbar and soundbars in general. Are they something that you are interested in? Are they necessary, do you think, or do you feel that TV speakers are good enough for you? Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful. Dislike this video if you didn't like it or didn't find it helpful. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're new to the channel and want to be notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you in the next one. Safe to your T. Peace out.